the hard question this week is creating a prices table, right? So I guess this doesn't just apply for Osmosis, but like for newer chains where you don't have a uh, proper prices table yet. If you don't have a proper prices table yet, how can you, create your own prices table, right? In the meantime, it's not going to be like accurate as CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, but at least you have a good proxy. So some things to think about, right? Like, what's unique about Osmosis is that I think every asset can be swapped for USDC, or like any asset can be swapped for another asset, and hence, since there are USDC pools, you can swap any asset to USDC. However, maybe not all swaps are USDC, right? Like if you look at this top 5 list, looks like the most swapped asset is Atom, and then followed by Osmo. So it makes sense to like get the price for a most commonly swapped asset first, and then use that asset as your quote unquote USD price. So in the case of Osmosis, Osmo has the most number of pairs, and hence we can look at like Osmo prices. We can derive Osmo's price. I'm just trying to see like USDC volume pools maybe. Okay, so USDC is the second largest pool on Osmosis by TVL. So we can get the price of Osmo and then get every other token's prices with respect to Osmo times Osmo's price. Yeah, constant pi knows. That's how I would do it as well, at least in this life. It's not the most efficient, I think, but I think it's the closest to the actual price that we get. So a couple of things we can do. First is find Osmo price, right? And then we need to get swaps for, or like to get token prices, filter for non-Osmo into currency, and then times Osmo's price. And then the last table would be raw swaps table multiplied by token prices, and then maybe like union another table, union raw swaps multiplied by Osmo price. So find Osmo's price and then get the token prices for the other tokens, and then join both of these prices into our swaps table. So let's try to do that. I'll leave this here just so we can refer to it again. So to get Osmo's price, we would just need to look at, why is it not? Okay, there you go. To get Osmo's price, we just need to look at Osmo and USDC swaps. So I don't know what is USDC's address. I'm just gonna look for it here. I don't know if that's sure. Okay, that's cool. So select all from the labels where project name, like I know it's something like USDC. So I do USDC and then this percent. I think it's .axl, right? Oh, there's also this GRV. What's GRV? Gravity, I see. Okay, so I'm guessing it's better to use the Excella one. How do I check the address for this? I'm just gonna guess that this USDC Osmo, this USDC is referring to USDC Excella. So let's get that. So the address for this is this. USDC address equals to this. Oops. IBC. Okay. And then what else? Think that's it. And then, or maybe project name goes to USDC.xlr. Okay, cool. Okay, you're gonna need both of these or just this. Okay, so swap stable. So let's just call it as with maybe we'll make a raw swap stable first. To join with the labels. So with raw swaps as select from the swaps table. We put one block timestamp, transaction ID, sure. Left join the labels table. Call this S, call this M, AL, and then we would have. I know the Osmo swaps table is like super big, so I'm just gonna filter for like, I don't know, October. It's already October, guys. 3 more full months to the end of the year. Nice. From amount, so from currency. So this is the first join. We will need to join on the from currency column. So left join this on s dot from currency equals to l dot address, and then this we can have project name, right? Right. The second one, oh, I need to divide this by decimal. So from amount divided by decimal. Oh, from decimal. From amount divided by 10 to the power of from decimal. Okay. As from amount adjusted. From currency, and then the project name as from currency name. Okay. Same thing for to amount. So to amount 10 to the power of 2 decimal, I guess. Yep, 2 decimal as to amount adjusted to currency. Okay, so this is where we need the second join. So second joined, I am going to call this M, because why not? It's LM. The reason why we join is because we need to join it 2 times. First on the from column and the other on the to column. So call this as m.project name as to currency name. I think that is it. Is there a way we don't have to join twice? If we only want in this case, right, where we only want I think we can, but only for like very specific use cases. So for example, if we only want Osmo, if we only want assets where one asset is fixed and the other is a variable, we can use that column, we can combine the columns to make it a variable. So for example, like if like from currency equals to Osmo, sorry, U Osmo, is it? Then from currency, wait, sorry, not equals to U Osmo, then from currency, else to currency, right? And then let's call this as like change currency, and then we can just join it once here. But if you want to like join it on two separate columns, I'm not sure if you can do that. Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't think so. Anyways, we do need to do this we do need to do this if though. So where were we? So we joined the labels table already, and then we have a timestamp. Oh, and tx status succeeded. Let me see, is that all we need? I think so. Timestamp, transaction ID, label, timestamp. Okay, so let's call this as like daily Osmo price. Select from the raw swaps. So I want the block timestamp, right? What else I want? I want the basically all of this, but I want the criteria to be where only one side, either of the swap to or swap from is Osmo, right? So where from currency equals to U Osmo, or to currency equals to U Osmo. Yeah, okay. Then I need this, everything else. Delete this. I like to leave a space to group them, so to speak. Okay, what else? And then okay, so I need a condition that says like I need a condition that says the price, right? Wait, let me think. Osmo price. Oh, sorry, we need to filter for Osmo USDC pools, and to do that, from currency U Osmo to currency is USDC. USDC's address is this, and to currency equals to this, and then the same thing for here, but from currency equals to this. Yes, and then we need a last one that says like case when I just do a case when from currency is this. So from currency is Osmo, to currency is USD. So to get Osmo's price, I need to USD divided by Osmo. So then USD is in the two columns, so to amount adjusted divided by from amount adjusted. Case when, okay, and then just do like else when it's just the opposite. So when you're buying Osmo, when Osmo is on the to column, I need to divide the from amount divided by the amount of Osmo. So else this n as Osmo daily price. USD. Oops. Oh wait, this is a raw transaction. So let me just call this as raw. Osmo daily price raw. Oh my goodness. So let's just test it out. From like average, group by one. Osmo $1. Damn. Number 12. Invalid project name. Identifier. Raw swaps. S2 currency name. Oh. Why there's no join here? Okay. Where did that join go? Interesting. Did I delete the join? Okay, so the numbers are in. Looks to be right. I'll take that as a yes because we're looking at a daily price. It's possible to do hourly, but my concern is like if you do hourly, then when we were to join, if we were to join with the raw swaps table, if there are some assets where there are no hourly swaps, we would have a null value, and then to circumvent that we'd have to create like a daily table, cross join, yada yada. So as a proxy, I think let's just do a daily, but of course it's not as accurate as an hourly. Okay, cool. So we know our Osmo price is working, so let me just make this into a CTE. So daily Osmo price as this whole thing, group by day, so that we don't get flamed. Average, let's call this as USD. Okay, cool. Select timestamp, blah 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 blah. Okay. Alright, cool. We got our Osmo price, right? The first thing we do. Second thing is to get the token prices. So token prices, we need to filter for non-Osmo swaps. So it's the same as this thing, but without Osmo. So I'm gonna copy paste. Let's call this as daily token price raw, and then we need to filter for where from currency is not Osmo and to currency is wait. We only need the to currency to not be Osmo, because we only want this to be like I'm buying the token, so like what is the price? Is that right? Yeah, that's right. Yep. No, the coalesce doesn't work because not all hourly would be present, right? Because like if the swap for a certain token, if the swap for, let's say, Osmo, oh, that's why I lag and lead. Actually, yeah, that's true. Yeah, we can do that actually. is there a way to like, if the lag and lead is null, you take the last non-null value, something like a like last value or something? I think I've seen a last value, like yeah. mm, but the lag, I mean, you would still need you would still need all hourly dates, right? Sorry, all hours, right? Like if you don't have all hours, it wouldn't, like what I'm saying is you will still need a table with like, you know left join of all prices, and then you use that instead. Okay, yeah. Actually, yeah, that's true. Thanks, Marco. That totally works. If for those joining in the joining in the YouTube, listening in the YouTube instead, you can look at the town hall chat on Discord to look at the comments. Anyways, okay, so our token prices daily, we're only looking for when we're only looking for when it is not about osmosis, right? So we can do like where two currency is not equals to osmo, or we can do several ways here. One way is to say outright like two currency not equals to osmo, and then just look at the from currency. We can also do like remove this whole filter and just do the if thing, like if two currency not equals to uosmo, then two currency, else if it's equals to osmo, then from currency. This works too. I think this is more accurate. I'm gonna stick with this. So do I need to remove this? Okay, so case when, if the two currency is not equals to osmo, take the two currency. If the two currency is equals to osmo, then take the from currency. So this would give us the as asset I don't know what to call this, token currency. Okay, and then we can do a case when. So case when, let's see here, case when two currency is not equals to osmo. Wait, we're looking for buys, right? So if we're looking for buys, we do need to, if we're looking for buys, no, this is daily token, so we don't need to look for buys. Case when two currency is not equals to osmo. Oh wait, no, we do want osmo because we have the osmo price, then we can times with osmo. Sorry, my bad. So case when two currency equals to osmo, then now that I think about it, shouldn't the filter have osmo because we're looking for a daily token price? So turns out we do need osmo. Where two currency equals to uosmo, or from currency. Right? Am I wrong or am I right? Yeah, right. We do need this filter. Okay. Alright, so okay, let's try it again. So case when the two currency is osmo, that means we need to take the amount of osmo. We just need the amount of osmo, right? So then two amount adjusted times osmo's price. Wait, I'm thinking, should we like join it directly, or I guess we can. times the Osmo price, but this is not done because we need to divide by the from currency amount, right? So let's say like five atom was swapped for like 10 Osmo. So now we're just taking 10 Osmo, 10 times Osmo price for 5 atom, right? But we need 1 atom so we need 10 times Osmo price divided by 5, right? So 10 times Osmo price divided by 5. 5 is from amount. Case when blah blah blah, then okay, and then when from currency equals to Osmo, then it's the opposite, so from amount times daily price. You get the ratio then times, actually yeah, that's right, that's more efficient rather than times for every transaction ID. I shall take your advice and do that. N as token price unadjusted. Alright. Token price in Osmo. From currency, blah blah blah. Daily token price raw. To make sure everything is good, let's just try running it. Oopsie. From currency if I think it should be good. So token currency is Osmo. Oh, I need the name, not the name, not the address. So far looks okay. Token price in Osmo. Okay, so case when blah blah, then Osmo's price. So now we just need to times this with Osmo's price. So let's just call this as like daily token USD. Select from this raw table, and then we'll do a block timestamp. Left join our prices table, which is daily Osmo price. Call this as like O and T. Join on T dot the timestamp, so join on the trunk the T dot block timestamp equals to the Osmo price is day, I believe. Yep. 0.day, and then just gonna copy all this. Token price in Osmo times daily Osmo price USD. Okay, token currency. So because we now have all this, we don't have to have all of this. We can just have the token currency and token price times the Osmo price. Yeah, I think that's it. And then maybe I'll just do like, the average. Oh, I still need timestamp. Oops. Okay. So I still need the block timestamp here. Let's call this as like token price USD raw daily from. I do this because I'm lazy. I just want to get this into one block. Let's see. I feel like I am, yeah, there you go. I'm missing that group by day and token currency. So for each day, each currency, what is the average? Okay, let's filter for the latest date. Why are all this so weird? Oh. XPRT is the only one I recognize. So XPRT is 0.5855. Okay, close enough. 0.58, okay, yeah, okay. October, 3rd October. Hey, is this a bug? You see the dates are the same. October 4th. Eh no, this is 24 hours. Then why is it showing it here like this? Okay. That's weird. I was looking at here. Lol. Anyways, October 3rd, 58. Yeah, I'll take it. Close enough. 0.5855. Alright, cool. So that tells me that everything should be okay. Just to check again, Osmo is wrong, right? Because we don't need Osmo. So I need to filter for when two currencies already this. Oh wait, let me see. Case when I need to filter for when token currency is not Osmo. So I can just do that here. Daily token price from here, and then I guess before I can just do like where token currency is not Osmo. Yep. Let's get more tokens this time. DAI 0.93. Interesting. I have no idea what all these are. INJ ban. Okay, ban. BAND. Band protocol. This is Cosmos. Okay. 1.25. Okay, cool. Close enough. Alright, so the daily token prices is working. So we've got a daily token price and an Osmo daily price. Now we would have to join all this back with our Osmo table, right, to get the swaps. But if we want to stop here, you can, because you already have the daily token price for every token except for Osmo. It's not that long as I imagine, but okay. So to get the raw swaps table multiplied with prices, I will just use this table again. So raw swaps. Let me see. Raw swaps. Daily token price. Token swaps. Sorry. Raw swaps token as all of this. And then I'm joining in by the day, right? Okay. So I need I don't have a token currency here. I see. Where's my token currency thing? Okay, here. If token currency is not Osmo, token currency. Okay, cool. Wait. So in my final table, I just want the buys, right? So I can filter I can take all this out and say I want from currency, to currency, which is the buy, bought currency is not equals to U Osmo, right? So this will tell me all of the from currency. So I can ignore this and just do from currency name, and also from currency amount, from amount adjusted. To currency name and to amount adjusted. There you go. Remove all this from the raw swaps table, right? Yep, raw swaps. From the raw swaps table, and then I need to left join the token prices. So left join. Let's call this as R and this as P. So R dot P dot day, is it day? Yep. Equals to day trunk R dot timestamp. So I'm left joining this table, and I want the token amount multiplied by the token prices, which is this. I also need to join it on the currency names. So to currency name equals to token currency. So it's making sure that the same currencies are joined together. Where two currency is not Osmo. Okay. So let's just go ahead and try this. Is it running? Okay, it's running. What? 103 left join on. Oh, sorry. Left join P on. Have to dip. Oh, thanks for joining. See you. Next time, let's do Uniswap V2 clone prizes. Oh my goodness. No thanks. Alright, okay, cool. So so this is what I mean, right? Like there will be some I thought I filter for no Osmo, where two currency is not equals to Osmo. What? Two currency name is not Osmo. Okay. So looks like okay. So this will be the raw subs table, but for each token price. So let's just do a quick sanity check. 1.18 atom is 14, so it's about like 11 or 12. Okay, so that checks out. Basically I'm just taking this divided by this to see if it's about the same. EV MOS would give us like 1 point something, hopefully. Yep, okay, cool. So this number works. This number is correct, or at least in the right range. So yeah, so that's how we get the token raw swaps token in USD, right? Of course, we also want to get the one for Osmo, and let's just do that. So to do that, we just need to we can just copy the same thing, but instead of calling it token, let's call it Osmo. Like raw Osmo token, raw Osmo swaps, raw swaps token, raw swaps Osmo, and then where two currency is Osmo. And then we would need to join the Osmo table, which is, where is it? Daily Osmo price. On the rest can stay the same. Oh wait, we don't need this because there is no that in the Osmo table. Yep, the Osmo table just has day and daily price, so we can remove this last bit here and then change the variable name raw subs Osmo. Again, let's do a quick test. And last but not least, we can finally aggregate the subs table. But before that, let's just quick check. So when is this? Okay, I need to filter for when Osmo is not now. And daily price is not now. But let's see, right? So this will be around 1 something for Osmo's price. Yeah, 1 something, which it is. If I recall correctly, 1 something. Yep, okay. So the last table finally is the aggregate sales table, which is aggregate, sorry, not sales, swap. Select all from our token swaps table, union all, select all from our Osmo swaps table, and finally we can do our like top 5 look, right? We can do a block timestamp, do currency name, some, oh, I didn't give name here, as token amount USD. Yeah, whatever. Some token amount USD as swap USD from our aggregate, and then group by day and this, and then qualify just to see the top 5 each day, over order by day descending. No, wait, order by swap USD, partition by day. Okay, I think that should work. So the reason why we don't partition by currency name is because we only that is the thing that we wanna like we want to arrange and in the descending order, right? If we were to put this in a partition, like for example partition by day, to currency name, it would make each currency name their own bucket, right? So then you wouldn't have a top 5 daily. You would have a top 5 daily and by currency name. So you would essentially get all the currency names. Partition by day, order by swap. Okay, cool. Swap USD is now. What is going on? Didn't we see some numbers here previously? So something is wrong somewhere. Group by day, this, okay, that's right. Token amount, is token amount correct? Let's see. Token amount adjusted. Wait. So select all command slash. Okay, cool. Trying to see like what is wrong from our aggregate swaps table. It seems like all the numbers are here, so why is my partition not working? Qualify row number over partition by day, order by swap USD descending. Huh, what's wrong? Let's run it again. Run. Interesting. I also noticed that all these are like SVT. Maybe I'm doing the qualify wrongly. So qualify row number over partition by day, order by swap USD descending. That's correct though. Maybe I need a end swaps where swap USD. No, cannot be in oh, maybe like having. Does this work? Maybe having is here. Or I can just do where token amount USD is not now. That works too. Yep. Alright, cool. Let's see what we've got. So bar graph day swap USD color column 2 currency. Why? Oh, okay, that's right. Okay, so wait, the BTC is making me curious, like why based on our transactions data, I don't think BTC has the highest transaction, so why is it showing the highest volume? Did we miss a division somewhere? Let's see. Do amount adjusted, okay. Token price. Do amount divided by from amount. Okay. When from currency is UOSMO, then from amount. When from currency is UOSMO. Oh, this is wrong, right? When the two currency is U Osmo, then I want the from divided by 2. So this it should be like this. When the two currency is U Osmo, because I want to multiply by Osmo. I don't want to multiply by like atom, right? For example. So this should be to and from token price in Osmo. Oh no, that is definitely wrong. These numbers are too big. Okay, so this is right then. Interesting. Wait, so let's just say 5 atom is swapped for 10 Osmo, right? So I want it denominated in how many Osmo, right? So I would need to take I would need to do like 5, right? Like 5 atom divided by 10 equals to 1 Osmo. So that I can then times this amount by Osmo. Is that right? One atom to no, I need 1 atom. Sorry. So I need 1 atom to be 2 Osmo, and then I times Osmo price. 2 currency. So 2 amount divided by from. Yeah, this is correct. Oops, sorry. So if this is correct, I'm not sure why our prices show BTC as the highest. Because I feel like BTC isn't the highest swap. I mean, atom looks right, but BTC really? I don't feel like that's the one. Maybe it is. I don't know. But that's it, right? Let's assume that it is. But if it's not, do find where I made that mistake and correct it. I feel like it might be one of these things here. Right. So I'll name this as like Osmosis swaps table with homemade USD prices. Alright, cool. I'll share this links in the chat. Let's see. So easy. Sorry. And then number 2 is top 5. And then hard is the token swaps. That's it. Any questions? I don't see any questions so far, but if there are any questions, do leave them in the chat. If not, thanks again everyone for joining. As usual, our videos are recorded and posted on YouTube either the same week or the week after. You can check out our previous videos on YouTube. Just search Flipside Crypto and you would see some videos. And that's it. Thanks again for joining this week, and I'll see you all next week.